Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can do NGL link on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search NGL and download that application and click on open, and then you need to create a link and then you need to copy link. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to create a story. So let me create a story. Okay, so here you can see that story is created. Then you need to click on the sticker icon in the top, that is the third option, and then you need to click on the link and paste that link here, and then you need to click on done. So here you can see that the NGL link, and then you need to share. So this is the process by which you can do NGL link on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.